Hello, everyone, and welcome to another exciting edition of semifinal Quiz Bowl competition here on Katie Quiz, brought to you by GBU Life. I'm Ray Petlin. I have the honor of asking questions to some of the brightest students from around the region, and today we have a great semifinal matchup for you to see who takes the second spot in this season's finals. Competing today, we have Ambridge High School, we have Montour High School, and we have Winchester Thurston High School. And we are going to start everybody off with 100 points on the board and jump right into the competition. Our first round is called Player's Choice. In this round, each team gets 5 picture-based questions. 25 points is awarded for a correct answer. There are no deductions for incorrect answers in this round. Randomly selected to go first is Ambridge High School, and the 3 categories we have in the Player's Choice are American History, Mathematics, and Current Events. Which of those categories would you like?
We would like American history.
American history it is. Here's your first question. Members of what sect founded by George Fox first controlled Pennsylvania?
The Quakers?
The Quakers is correct. Huey Long was from what state where Hurricane Katrina killed around 1,000 people?
Louisiana?
Louisiana is the right answer. This event is depicted in the Zapruder film and was investigated by the Warren Commission.
The JFK assassination?
That is right. The Charter Oak was located in what New England city that named a convention of Federalists during the War of 1812?
Philadelphia?
Great guess, but we were looking for Hartford on that one. Sarah Palin ran on the ticket of John McCain in what election year in which Barack Obama won his first term?
2016, I think that would have been
2008?
2008 is correct, going 4 out of 5, adding 100 points to your score, and that takes you up to an even 200 on the day. Nice job, Ambridge. Winchester Thurston, you are up next. The 2 categories we have left over are Mathematics and Current Events. Which of those categories would you like?
We're going to do Current Events.
Current Events it is. Winchester Thurston, here's your first question of the day. A body of water south of Texas recently grabbed a lot of attention after being renamed by President Donald Trump. What is that body of water's new name?
The Gulf of America?
That is correct. This cabinet department is cutting over 80,000 jobs in order to return to 2019 staffing levels, according to its chief of staff, Christopher Sirik. More than 25% of what department is made up of former military members?
Veterans Affairs?
That is correct. The activist Mahmoud Khalil was a grad student at what Ivy League university in New York City?
Columbia.
Columbia is right. Name this woman succeeded by Charles III as monarch of the United Kingdom.
Queen Elizabeth II.
That is correct. And finally, Mayor Rob Rue was the target of dozens of bomb threats in September 2024 due to a hoax that claimed that Haitian immigrants were eating pets belonging to residents of what Ohio city?
Springfield?
Springfield, Ohio is correct. You start the day perfectly with 225 points on the board. Very nicely done, Winchester Thurston. Finally up, we have our team from Montour High School. And Montour, the category we have left over for you is mathematics. And here we go with your first question. What does this standard mathematical symbol represent?
all real numbers.
All the real numbers is correct. Very nicely done. A quadratic polynomial is defined as a second-degree polynomial that can be represented with a parabola and can have at most what number of real roots?
2.
2 is correct. Pascal's triangle, named for the French mathematician and physicist, contains coefficients named for what word that also refers to a polynomial with two terms?
Binomial.
That is the correct nomial. Very nicely done. And your next question, Kevin Buzzard received £1 million to formalize the proof of what theorem named for a Frenchman that states when n is greater than 2, there is no solution to A to the n plus B to the n equals C to the n?
Lagrange.
We were looking for Fermat's last theorem on that one, but that was a great guess. What operation, which is generalized by the inner product, outputs a scalar equal to the product of the magnitudes of the inputs times the cosine of the angle between them?
Dot product.
Dot product is correct. And you went 4 out of 5 with a nice 200 points to kick off the day. And we have ourselves a very close matchup right from the start. And there are more points up for grabs as we head towards the KD Quiz Knowledge Check, which is coming up next.
KD Quiz is brought to you by GBU Life, providing life insurance, annuities, and community support since 1892.